Okay, everyone, today my food recipe is how to make pork pass for uh, eating with bread, yes. And for this recipe, we have pork, we have garlic, pepper, and also sardine in tomato sauce. Okay, that first I have to add cooking oil into the pot, and I add uh, garlic inside. Okay, when it become a bit red, and then we can add meat, yeah, inside. Okay, for the food it very easy and it fast food for Cambodian people. Okay, and now I add yeah, meat inside, yeah, and fry it a little bit. Okay, and I add some ingredients such as uh, oyster sauce, okay, and chicken powder, and also a little bit sugar. For the food, we don't need it salt, okay, because we have to eat with bread or any sandwich, yeah. Okay, fry it a little bit. Yeah, it is very easy. We cook in maybe 10 minutes if we're done for this recipe. Okay, now I add some water. And I cover it for 5 minutes. Okay. Okay, everyone. It's not hard to cook, yeah. It's very easy food and it fast food. In the morning, if you want to go to work and if you don't want to cook anything, it's just this food, it fast for you. Yeah, need 10 minutes and then you can have a night breakfast. Okay, now I put the sardine, yeah, sardine in tomato sauce inside. I have to blend it, yeah, together with the meat, yeah, to get the taste. Okay. Okay, and fry it now. And now I add some pepper, yeah. If you like a bit hot, you can add more, but for me, I don't like hot, so I only add less. And for the taste, you can add any taste that you like, okay? Okay, everyone, how do you think? Yeah. Okay. Now it's done. Okay. Okay, everyone, it's done for my recipe. Okay, look, yes, it smells good. Now my son starting to eat. Wow, he really enjoy. Yeah, he give me one finger. Okay, and give me a smile also. Okay, now let's see my eating. So good. Wow, so good taste. Wow, really good. Thank you everyone for your watching. If you want to get next video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much everyone. Goodbye.